Hey guys, many users ask me if they should skip the OnePlus 9 series for the OnePlus 9T series. And the choice seems logical as the T variant of OnePlus smartphones are more complete products. So if you are thinking to skip the OnePlus 9 Pro for the OnePlus 9T Pro, there's a bad news for you. Max J has confirmed that there will not be any OnePlus 9T Pro, which is sad. Now Max J is a well-known tipster and all leaks or news he gives turn out to be true almost every time. So that means OnePlus is not thinking about a T variant of OnePlus 9 Pro. Last year something similar happened with the OnePlus 8 Pro. There was a OnePlus 8T, but there wasn't any OnePlus 8T Pro. So this year OnePlus is following the same strategy. Now just like previous year, there will be a brand new OnePlus 9T. So that's hopefully coming. So if you are thinking about skipping OnePlus 9 for the OnePlus 9T, you can do that. So I think the OnePlus 9T will come with a slightly better design and some minor improvements. OnePlus has previously confirmed that it is working on a bionic camera. OnePlus 9T could use this bionic front camera for better and faster focusing. Now what's the benefit of using this bionic front camera? First of all, it will reduce the size of the front camera and it will result in smaller hole punch. Its main benefit is it allows you to snap selfies more quicker than before. So it could be very handy in situations where you are rushing a selfie or filming using the front camera. Generally, a lot of companies do not focus a lot on the front cameras. So it's nice to see OnePlus trying to improve its selfie shooter. It will also result in improved image stabilization and lower energy consumption. There will be 120Hz refresh rate in OnePlus 9T as OnePlus 9 also has it. Flagship processor along with 65-watt fast charging is also expected here. Now in India, OnePlus 9 series is criticized for not providing all 5G bands as OnePlus 9 only supports two 5G bands. Many users didn't like this decision. Additionally, the Indian variant of the OnePlus 9 does not have wireless charging. So I think OnePlus will try to correct these things with OnePlus 9T. So the OnePlus 9T could be a more complete package. I don't think that there will be a lot of change in pricing. So it's still a very long time until the launch of OnePlus 9T. And soon we'll start getting more leaks about the OnePlus 9T, and I will definitely share that news with you guys. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel as that's very important. Follow me on Twitter at TechXTRJ. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.